Good morning. Welcome to you all in yoga class. Today we are going to do some forward bending and some backward bending asana. Before that, sit in Padmasana or Ardha Padmasana or in simple cross-leg position in which you are comfortable for the long time. Both hands in a Gyan Mudra. Your back should be straight, your head should be erect. Now close your eyes. Now start 3 round Om Chin. One round Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurabhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Naha Prachodayat. Now rub your palm gently. Place it over your eye on your face. Now gently open your eyes. So today we are going to do first Padhastasana, a forward bending pose. Before that, we are going to practice of some stretching to release tension from lower back and hamstring. So stand on your mat first. So first we are going to do some exercise to lose the tension from the back, lower back, from the hamstring. So stand in a Tadasana first. Make a gap between the both feet, hip distance apart. Feet parallel to each other. Now bend forward from the waist. Interlock your elbow. Now swing your body from side to side. You can do around 10 rounds. So start, swing your body. Just continue here, breathe. Don't hold your breath, just normal and keep breathing. Try to lengthen your spine here. Now inhale, come in center. Again, bend from the waist and interlock your elbow. Now you have to move your body up and down with the forcefully deep inhale and exhale. Just keep lengthening your spine. Forcefully deep inhale and exhale. Inhale, come in center and release your hand position. Now we are going to do final practice of Padhastasana. So again make a gap between the feet. Now inhale, raise your arms up from the side above the head. Fingers pointing towards the sky. Now exhale, bend forward at 90 degree first. Now exhale, completely bend forward. Here is the variation of hand to place on the floor. You can place your palm beside the feet, or you can catch your big toe with the index finger and thumb. If you're more comfortable, you can place your palm under the feet. Now lengthen your spine. Look forward. If you're not comfortable here to move forward or to catch the ankle, you can catch your ankle from here. Those who are more comfortable to go more forward, they can catch their ankle from the back and go more forward, and try to touch your forehead on the knee. Yes, hold this position here for the few seconds. This posture is semi inversion posture of standing series, which help to increase the blood flow to your upper body because of inversion effect. Now inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, release your hand position. Now we will do one round more of Padhastasana. Again, make a gap between the both feet. Now inhale, raise your arms up from the side above the head, fingers pointing towards the sky. Now exhale, bend forward first at 90° from the waist. Now exhale, completely bend forward. Now again, you can place your palm just beside the feet, or if you are more comfortable, you can just catch your big toe with your index finger and thumb. Or you can keep your palm under the feet. If you are not comfortable to go down or to place your palm on the floor, you can catch your ankle also, or your shin bone where you are comfortable for the long time. Just keep lengthening your spine. Now those who are more comfortable, they can catch the ankle from the back. Now bend more forward, try to touch your forehead on the knee, or you can look straight at big toe. Hold this position for the few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, release your position. Deep inhale and exhale. Now we have done a forward bending asana. We need to do a counter pose. So next we are going to do a backward bending asana, that is Ardha Chakrasana, a half wheel pose. So let's start Ardha Chakrasana. Again, stand on your mat. Make a hip distance between the both feet. Place your hand on the waist so that the tip of the thumb should touch each other at the center of your spine. Now, with inhalation, push your pelvic and abdominal forward, and exhale, gently bend backward. Try to widen your collarbone, your chest, and drop your head back. completely. Stay here for the few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now inhale. Slowly come in center. Release your head position down. Now deep inhale and exhale. Relax here, both the feet together. Now next we are going to do a variation of Ardha Chakrasana. So again, make a hip distance gap between the both feet. Place your hand over your hip. Now again, inhale, push your pelvic, your abdominal forward. Now move your hand slowly down towards your thigh and drop your head back. Again, stay here for the few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now slowly inhale, come in center. Release your hand position, both the feet together, and relax. Deep inhale. Now we are going to do a dynamic spinal twist. This will help you to remove stiffness of your back and increase flexibility of your spine. So sit in first in Dandasana. Straight your both legs in front of your body, hand beside the buttock. Now make a wider gap between the both feet as much as you can do. Now from here, now inhale, raise your arms up at shoulder level. Both the arms should be in a straight line. Now exhale, twist towards the left. Place your right hand over the big toe, or you can catch the big toe also. Your left hand should be back in a straight line. Now turn your head back and try to gaze the fingertips of your left. Hold this position for the few seconds here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now inhale, come in center. Again exhale, turn towards the right. Now your left hand should be on the right big toe and your right hand should be stretched back. Now try to gaze your fingertips of your right. Hold this position for the few seconds. Now dynamic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Come in center and release your position. Relax here. Relax here for the few breath. You can place your palm on the knee also. Just deep inhale and exhale. Relax here. Now next we are going to do Vakrasana, the spinal twisting pose. So again, keep your hand beside the buttock. Your spine should be straight. Now bend your left leg. Place the left foot beside the right knee. Now raise your right hand up. Bring the right arms around the left knee and catch the ankle and place the left hand back. Now twist towards the left and look over the left shoulder back. Now close your eyes hold this position for the few seconds. This asana helps to increase the flexibility of spine and stimulates pancreas functions and help in the management of digestion and digestive system and diabetes. Now raise your arms up, put it down and straight your both leg and relax here. Now from opposite side, bend your right leg, place your right foot beside the left knee. Now raise your left arm up, bring it around the right knee and catch the right ankle, left hand back and twist towards the right and look back over the right shoulder. Again hold this position for the few seconds here. Close your eyes and feel the effect of asana in your lower abdominal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now raise your arms up, put it down, straight your legs and relax here for the few seconds.